Hey y'all, welcome back. If you love Target, comment down below because I love Target too. And recently I've discovered that they have $7 beauty boxes. And guess what? I ordered two. So tonight we're going to be unboxing them and seeing what's inside. Let's go. So here we go. So I have this one and then I have this one. So this yellow one is way heavier than this blue one. It's no details on what's inside of them, but they both did cost $7 each. I did see the contents of them online before I ordered them, but I don't know which is in what. So let's open them. I like the color yellow, so let's just start with yellow. So here it goes. It's very minty initially, just opening the box. So this says, hello, flawless beauty finds. If you're anything like us, you tried to find If you're anything like us, you tried and tested just about every beauty product on the market to find the essentials you just can't live without. Blah, 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 blah. Let's keep going. So I have a $3 off coupon for the purchase of $15 or more in cosmetics, skincare, or hair care. In here it says that I will be receiving a Love and Beauty Planet Argan Oil and Lavender Deodorant, a Method Body Wash Pure Peace, a up&up Premium Cotton Round, Maybelline Eye Studio Master Precise All Day Liner. I'm excited about that. Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Skin Therapy Oil, Schmidt's Natural Travel Size Toothpaste Activated Charcoal. I can use whitening of the teeth. And Garnier Marcella Waterproof. I'm sorry. Okay, so let's see what we actually got. Everything that they said, I think this is definitely worth $7 just off the fact that I have a full-size deodorant. I want to smell this. So it's funny because I'm actually in the process of looking for a new deodorant, and I want to make the transition to a more natural deodorant. So I've been seeing more upcoming, like, you know, at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and just on the shelves, especially at Target. If you've never noticed, one thing about Target is that in the deodorant aisle, at least in the women's, it ranks them from like basic, advanced, like, and it's just sweet. Whoever markets for Target, A+. So this is a 24-hour odor protection with no aluminum. The scent is lavender, so it smells good. Let's pump it up. I can see myself wearing this just for the fact that it smells good. It feels good. It does feel a little oily, but according to the back of it, it says that it's 24-hour odor protection, 24-hour long-lasting fragrance, ethically sourced lavender, plant-based deodorizers, vegan, not tested on animals, aluminum, no alcohol, no parabens, and it's made from recycled plastic, and it's made in Canada. I don't know why that matters, but yeah. Put that on there. I'm excited about that. Then we have 2 premium cotton rounds. Y'all, I keep these on deck all the time. Then we have the Palmer Skin Therapy Oil, Scars, Stretch Marks, Dry Damaged Skin, Uneven Skin Tone, Aging Skin. This is definitely a nice travel size, purse size item. So this right here, y'all, I wanted to try these body washes. The thing is, in Target, they're like $7 a bottle for like maybe this much bigger. I want to try them one day. However, I love the smell of rose water and pink salt. And this, it says body wash, naturally derived, no bad vibes, pure peace. Here we go. Let me see. It smells good. I definitely smell the salt in it, but it smells good. And then we have the activated charcoal bar Schmidt. It's a wonderment. Helps whiten teeth and freshen breath. Let's see how dark it is. Can you see? I'm so scared that's gonna shoot up. Oh, maybe it's like a film over it. Oh yeah, it's a film over it, and I'm not gonna take it off until I'm about to use it, which is gonna be tonight. And then I have, they definitely wanted it to be from Target. Shake it up. It is the Garnier Marcellus Cleansing Water All-in-One Waterproof, removes makeup, even waterproof mascara. I'm gonna need this because all my mascara is waterproof. And you can tell like it's definitely like a heterogeneous mixture because you have to shake it up. And then we have the Maybelline Masterpiece Precision. Oh, it's a felt tip. These are my favorite. You see that line? Yes. Okay. So let's go to the next box. This is the blue box. And I believe this one was the skin. Since that one was, I would classify that more as beauty. I think this one was the skin. I found scissors, y'all. And this is blue. Blue just reminds me of like calm and water and stuff like that. So this, yeah, so this is says Hello Skin Sensation. No. Oh, I forgot that. Oh. Okay, so in here is the Vinci Mineral 89. Never heard of that. The Cetaphil Extra Gentle Daily Scrub. The Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream. Dove Derma Series Body Lotion Replenish. The Crave Skin Renewing Night Cream. The laroche-posay Redemic R. Then the laroche-posay Tolerant Hydrating Cleanser. Again, a $3 off coupon off $15 or more. And then this is how the card looks. Blue. These are so cute. I can see me ordering these every month just because. So this is the moisturizing cream for body. Then we have this. This must be very expensive. This is the laroche-posay Laboratory Dermatolicule. Maybe it's French. I think it might be French. Yeah, I can't speak French. German, maybe. French, no. Yeah. So this is what it looks like. It's a box. Let me open up the box. Maybe that'd be more beneficial. I broke the box trying to open the box. So anyway. So it's a little tube. Is this gonna help? Nope. Too bright. Too bright. Anyway, it's a little tube, y'all. Okay. Next is the Vinci Mineral. It's a skin fortifying daily booster. A mineralizing water and acid. Hydrochloric acid. So this is what this looks like. I'm pretty sure this is an expensive product too. Sometimes you can just tell based on that packaging if something is expensive. This is the Skin Renewing Night Cream by Crave. It's just a little miniature thing. Maybe like 3 pumps are in here. It's funny. 3 pumps are in here. You can see like the space that's in there. And then we have 3 more things to go through. The Dove Body Lotion Replenishing. It's dry skin relief. I have very dry skin. Like you can't tell from my face, but I have very dry skin. I don't like the way it smells because it doesn't really have a smell. It's probably fragrance free. Is it fragrance free? It's fragrance free. And then we have the Cetaphil Extra Gentle Daily Scrub. And then the laroche-posay Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. And y'all, both of those boxes cost me $14. $7 each plus tax. Shipping was actually free and it came within 4 days. However, I did notice that it was some shipping mixed up on my packaging. Like the package should have been here on Thursday. Today is Saturday, but I'm not complaining. Anyway, those are my Target beauty boxes for January 2019. Enjoy. Comment below if you've used any of these before, if you recommend any of them, or tell me what's your favorite beauty product that you can find at Target. See you guys.